Nuala?
Yes, hello.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
You're interested in a job here as housekeeping manager?
Yes, thank you.
Where are you from, Nuala?
I come from Cambodia. I come from Nampan.
And when did you come to the United States?
A year ago.
Well, you speak good English.
Thank you.
Did you come straight to Boston?
No. First San Francisco, then Denver, then Chattanooga, Tennessee. Now I live in Boston, Massachusetts.
Well, we need someone with experience. What was your work in Phnom Penh?
The same, head housekeeper.
Ah, yes.
In a big hotel, 50 people worked for me. I made them clean like crazy.
Did you? Well, Nuala, when would you like to start?
Today, thank you.
Today.
Yes, strike while the iron is hot.